Welcome back. So in this video, I will explain about Linux distribution software. So most of the people are wrongly thinking about Linux. Maybe it's a completely one operating system. No, it is a prototype, the blueprint of the software which is given by Linux Torvalds from the Linux organization. So that operating system was taken by different companies. They renamed, they customized with the different brands. That is called Linux distribution. So we have a many, almost 40 types of Linux distributions are available. We have a 40 types of Linux distributions are available. So these are the complete operating systems. It has system tools, libraries, user interface like a CLA, GUI, and package managers, softwares like a browsers, editors, everything is available. But compare with one operating system with other operating system, differences are available. But the main components will be kernel, init systems, that's the initial system like a systemd and sys winit files, package managers, softwares is available. So what are the main popular distributions in Linux family? Ubuntu, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHCL, CentOS, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux, Debian, Fedora, Kali Linux, Arch Linux, Amazon Linux, so many things are there. In real-time environment, so based on the work type, based on the usage type, so we will use the different Linux operating systems. Example, you want to become as a cloud administrator, you want to become as a DevOps administrator, what operating system you need to learn? Ubuntu, Amazon Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay. So these operating system you need to learn. Ubuntu, Amazon Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Suppose you want to host a website, web hosting. So like you want to web hosting like Apache, Nginx, MySQL. So if you want these type of applications, if you want to install web hosting purpose, you can use CentOS, Rocky Linux, Debian. CentOS, Rocky Linux, Debian. Suppose you want enterprise servers like a mission critical applications like a finance, insurance, healthcare based applications, SAP, Oracle. So these type of applications, if you want to install, you need to preferable go for Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHCL, SUSE Linux. SUSE Linux and Red Hat Enterprise Linux you can use. So next one, penetration testing and cyber security. So you can use a Kali Linux. Penetration testing, cyber security for hacking and forensic tools for testing purpose and usage. So now Kali Linux is the best operating system. So no, I want to use for a desktop and laptop purpose. I want to use a desktop, laptops, I want to use it. Then you can go with the Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Fedora. Okay. So these are the operating system you can. It's a very user-friendly operating system for educational purpose, personal usage, like a Python programming, shell scripting, web development. You can use that. So these are the Linux distributions from the Linux family. You can start with your questions one by one. No questions? Thank you.
So,
Yes, please.
hello. Yes, sir.
Yes.
In every Linux distribution software, is the commands are same, sir?
Few commands are same, but few commands are different.
Okay.
Thank you.
So what is the use of sudo? Sudo is the command, right?
So I will explain those commands usage, where you
Okay.
need to use, how to use, in
Okay.
which terminals we need to use. That everything I will show you
Yeah.
in the lab area. So we can start practice
Yeah.
there.
Thank you, sir.
Great.